Hey mobile gamers! In today's video, I'm reveal the secret method how to get unlimited amount of stars and coins for free using this amazing Gardenscapes hack. This method works on iPad, Android, iPhone. No matter what mobile device you use, you will be able to do it. No jailbreaker or computer needed. I tested it myself, and it works without any problems. As you can see, the resource was delivered directly to my account. So let's get started. First, we need to locate our in-game user ID, which we need to complete the next steps. Then open your preferred web browser and go to this page. As you can see, you will find many mobile app and game hacks here, each with amazing features. But let's focus on the topic of our guide. Search for Gardenscapes and just click on it. You can use the search bar located at the top of the page to find it quickly. On this screen, select the platform you're using and enter your username. Then click the Connect button and wait a few seconds to connect to the game server. Don't worry, this method is completely safe and untraceable, so your account will remain safe. Then select the amount of stars and coins you want to receive and click the Generate button. After confirming your selection, the website will begin injecting the mod. The duration of this process may vary depending on your internet connection speed and device performance. In most cases, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the modification has been successfully applied to your device and is ready for use. However, there may be one final step required. Depending on your device model and operating system, you may need to verify your account. This step ensures that only legitimate users can access the hack. The last step is simple and quick. Additionally, a video tutorial will help you through the process. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete it as quickly as possible. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll skip it here and come back once my verification is complete. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, I had to perform actions in these 3 applications. It took only a few minutes, which I think is quite reasonable and definitely worth it. Once you complete all the required steps, the whole process will be complete, and you will receive your resources. Now just launch the game and enjoy unlimited resources. I hope you found this video helpful and enjoyable. If so, be sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more great content. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below to let me know how this trick worked for you. Thanks for watching, have fun, and I'll see you in the next video.